can see from my sample here, there's a lot of different kinds of crochet hooks that are available. But you know, the one thing that they all have in common is the way that you hold them. And I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can hold your crochet hook. I set these on the side for now. And here we have a boy crochet hook. Very common, very easy to find. And if you notice, there's this flat area, and that's called your thumb rest. So I want you to just keep that in mind as I show you the 2 ways in which to hold a hook. Now the first way is called a pencil hold, and it's exactly that. You hold it just like you would hold a pencil if you were going to write something. The second way is called the knife hold, and again, it's exactly how it sounds. You hold it just like you would hold a knife if you were going to cut something. Now for me, I put my index finger out when I hold a knife, so it makes sense that that's how I would be comfortable holding my crochet hook. Now there is no real right or wrong way to hold it. The important thing is that you're holding it in a way that's not placing undue strain and stress on your hand and your wrist, and possibly even causing injury. Play around with those 2 ways until you find something that works for you and that you're comfortable with.